Hi everyone, welcome back to TerraTern. Today I want to talk about an important component of the PTE exam, that is short answers question. These sections require you to provide a brief, clear responses to questions, and although it may seem straightforward, there are a key strategies that can help you excel it. Let's explore some effective tips to enhance your performance in this task. First, listen carefully to the question. The first step to providing a great answer is to listen attentively. When the question is paused, focus on understanding what is being asked. Take a note of any keywords that stands out. This will guide you in crafting a relevant response. Second, be concise and relevant. In this section, brevity is your ally. Aim to your answer in a question in just 1 to 2 sentences. Keep your responses focused and avoid unnecessary elaboration. Remember, a clear and a direct answer is more impactful than a long-winded explanation. For example, if you are asked what is your favorite season, you might respond with, "My favorite season is spring because of the pleasant weather and blooming flowers." This answer is a concise and directly addresses the question. Use clear and simple language. While it might be tempting to use a complex vocabulary, simple and clear language is often more effective. Speak in straightforward sentences to ensure your message is easily understood. Avoid convoluted phrases that could lead to a grammatical mistake. Fourth, practice paraphrasing. Another useful strategy is to paraphrase the question in your response. This demonstrates your understanding and helps structure your answer logically. For instance, if you are asked what is the importance of education, you could say, "Education is essential because it provides individuals with the knowledge and skills they need for personal and professional growth." Fifth, stay calm and confident. Anxiety can hinder your ability to think clearly, so it's crucial to remain calm. Take a deep breath before answering and remember to speak clearly and at a moderate pace. Confidence in your delivery can make a significant difference in how your answer is perceived. Sixth, use examples when appropriate if time permits and it fits your response. Consider adding a brief example to support your answer. However, ensure that the example does not make your answer too lengthy. For example, if asked why do people enjoy traveling, you might say, "People enjoy traveling because it allows them to explore a new cultures and cuisines." For instance, visiting Italy offers a chance to experience authentic Italian food. Seventh, familiarize yourself with a common topic to prepare effectively. Practice common themes such as hobbies, travels, education, work, and technology. By having prepared responses for a frequently asked question, you can respond more easily and during the exam. 8. Utilize the full response time. You typically have 10 seconds to gather your thoughts before responding. Use this time wisely to compose your answer in your mind. Don't rush. Delivering a coherent and complete answer is essential. 9. Practice regularly. Finally, practice is a key. Regularly answering the sample question can build your confidence and fluency. Record your responses and listen to them to identify the areas for improvement. In the end, I would like to say succeeding in the PT speaking short answer question task require a careful listening, concise responses, clear language, and regular practice. Ready to take the next step towards your dream career abroad? Get a free consultation today. Simply fill out the form. Link is in the description and pinned comments below. Don't miss this opportunity to get an expert advice tailored just for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TerraTern for more tips on achieving your goals abroad. See you in the next video.